Football View, the beautiful game.
Oh, born here. So far, so me who born here. Alaja can be Zano, and I'm here. Odote, Zano, and I'm here. Has he fallen in born the Bodo? Metias, as almost Alaja can be. I'm going to keep on a project in Amoya. I'm going to keep Alaja can be Kotoko, then Kumasi. Yamisha Kotoko. Also, 2-4.
Right, I think that it's over. And overall, I think that the two teams all exhibited good display of football and artistry. It was good display from the two. I think that's the best so far I've witnessed the two teams play ever since the season began. 14 matches, and I think that this is the best game so far for both sides. But I think that Hearts of Oak, notwithstanding their defeat, played so well, and I think that they were the best overall. But goalkeeper Richmond I disappointed the Phobians. That was a lackluster performance, some juvenile display from him. As a goalkeeper of his caliber, you don't do that and expect a referee to give you, that's offside. I mean, he was claiming for. I think that he let the Phobian lads down, and overall, we say thumbs up to Asante. They have done well. Sweet victory over their arch rivals, and I think that's good.
14 of the best Ghana Premier League are very here. Has a folk ever home to Kumasi Asante. This is very historic in the history of Ghana football. So House of Folk, Eddie Baba Yara serving home in league games. You won't be saying that. But and then you must say House of Folk ever coming Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko usual favorite home ground Baba Yara. Exciting game. 5 different goal scorers. It's not quite a game. You say goals with games. 5 different goals from 4 different goal scorers. Sorry, this is quite phenomenal. The last time the entire who said almost fixtures now I produced much bountiful goals. But indeed, Amatia produced 5 goals in today's game. It's quite a good game. Both teams are selling. Credit to Stephen Mukwela. He has been informed for the last 4-5 games about goal for Kumasi Asante. He has been involved in all the goals of Kotoko in their last 5 meetings. It's me and Stephen Mukwela was TV show. No one that said I am man of the match. And Salif Di Maria. I said earlier, I'll be very surprised if Salif Di Maria maybe again. Indeed, what me and me. Kudos to us, folk. They should come back better next time, and they should make sure that we can bounce back to them.
It was a nice game. Both teams were fine, but us, move on in our goals in the but we show better luck next time. And I got to go. I'm going to take you on more chances. I would say I'm going to say yes, I leave now. I do a bit match.
Okay, your friend Mustafa Abdullah, Phobia Tertiary. Your problem, game need a very nice game. Now, first half, House of Folk dominated here. Second half, Kotoko Bejeboy. A very nice game, I had no witness. But maybe problem as a Phobia fan, they say, House of Folk. You better run a House of Folk and will be any idea. I was a stretches in the year. Yet to me run a House of Folk. Nipami and San, to me run a House of Folk. Yeah, Papa, the owner of Tamaklu, or better. Any I can be or not tell Cradie. Why are lucky our house of food? Wunya MP now jay team toho. And I'll call the one Ulushi and I was a fat team. I said team no Yeni Shasofo. Wobaya, Niamope and a Mosaye. And no and I be ye the keeper, Ebaye. I'm a two-day keeper. Your goalkeeper trainer said, why your 4th choice? Argentina international keeper. Never to have a 4th choice. Yeah, pump keep on the coin, and they are shady witness. I didn't see them, yes, sir. Scratches now, Jumadia. Say, yeah, coach, he can't hear you. Some Munta, Yasua, yes,
game need an okay, but I'm saying I'm game, not tempo, no high now. You only send Kotoko chances no money in our own. I'm going to make convert and at least end of the game, and scoreline and can you think a baby 4-1 and answer 5-1 because. Chances be below, I say, no, yeah. But I think that was a nice game. It was a nice game.
It's been a very, very good game. By far the best Kotoko and House encounter in a very, very long while. And especially for us, the Porcupine family, it's been a very, very exciting time to be able to beat Accra House of Folk by 3 goals to 2. Even though we considered the first goal, it's good that the team kept their composure, and at the best of times, just before the first half came to an end, we were able to get the equalizer. And then in the second half, we played absolutely marvelously well. We dominated the game totally, and clearly you could see that the coaches, the technical team of Kotoko got it right. Whatever they did in the game, played to advantage. We controlled the game very well. And for a team that is playing well, luck can only be on your side. We got an offside goal. Hallelujah! We accepted the goal. We took the lead, and then we were able to wrap it up in 3-1 till that mistake by Nuruddin. And of course, when you are leading by 3-1, you are playing so comfortably well. Little bits of concentrations that happened, but then again, it's acceptable that at the end we were able to win 3-2 and keep our win run going. So it's good for Kotoko